Hello and welcome back. Today we will be looking at user coordinate systems, or as most people refer to them, the UCS. The UCS is a coordinate system that is specified by you, the user. You can create one or more of these and save them in the drawing, allowing you to swap between them as you need. The UCS can be beneficial when entering coordinates, drawing 3D objects from 2D planes, or to change the cardinal directions. To create a UCS, go to the View tab and in the Coordinates panel, click the UCS button. If you cannot see the Coordinates tab, right-click on the ribbon and tick the Coordinates option in the Panels menu. If you prefer, you can enter UCS on the command line. You will now be prompted to specify an origin point for the UCS. This will be the 00 point while using the UCS. Keep in mind, if you need to work with other coordinated drawings, you will need to maintain a common origin point so that the relative position between the drawing objects will be maintained. Next, you are prompted for the X-axis direction. The final prompt is to define the up direction of the UCS. Now we know how to set up the UCS, let me show you a couple of examples. In this first example, I will show you how to use the UCS to create a 3D shape from 2D planes. Here you can see I have my 2D planes describing the 3D area, and I am in world coordinates. I'm going to start with the front and set my UCS to this plane. Now the UCS has been set, you can see the view cube orientation has aligned with this plane. I can now freeze the other planes and view from the top to start adding the front profile. After adding the front profile, I will reset my UCS to the side plane and repeat the same steps to draw in my side profile. I can now return to world coordinates to add the top profile. By using the Press Pull tool to create my 3D profiles, then using the Solid Intersect tool, I am left with the intersecting area which was described by my 2D profiles. The second example I will show you is using the UCS to align your drawing to a layout template. When you are drawing, it is very common that the orientation of the drawing in world coordinates doesn't fit your layout very well. Rather than rotating your drawing to better fit the layout, use the UCS to align the layout to the drawing. First, double-click in the viewport and run the UCS command. As you can see in this drawing, I have a frame around my drawing that best fits my layout, and I will set my UCS to that. Now, by running the plan command and selecting the current UCS, the layout will be aligned with the UCS I just set. To return to the world view, enter plan again and select the world option. And if you have any suggestions for what you would like to see me cover next, please leave it in the comments below. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please check out my channel and consider subscribing.